Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to join Fiverr affiliate. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Fiverr and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys in order to join affiliate is in a new tab, go ahead and type Fiverr affiliate. Once you do that, go ahead and click on enter. And then once you're here, click on this link, which is affiliate.fiverr.com. And then you're going to be right here. As you can see, guys, right here, boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr. Promote the leading marketplace for freelance services and get paid to drive traffic. So as you can see, guys, right here, under you choose your commission plan, you're going to find join as an affiliate. It's free to get started, access marketing materials, tools, and more. Promote Fiverr. Share Fiverr with your target audience. There is a match for every need. And lastly, start earning. Earn right from the moment your traffic converts. Check our commission plan. Go ahead and click on Join Now. And then, as you can see, guys, there is a form that you need to fill. And then you will join Fiverr affiliates. So, in order to sign up, you need to write your first name, your last name, add your email address, add a username, password, and confirm your password. You need to add the account type, choose between private or company. You need to choose if you have a main source of traffic, yes or no. Choose your country from the list, choose your language, and lastly, add your Skype account. Once you do that, go ahead and click on next and follow the steps to join Fiverr affiliates program. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.